Princess. Where you at? Come on, this is our closing.
Uy, Banka.
What's up, guys? This is Rent Zero.
It's Chicks.
And together we are
Sentai, but I cannot see because the light.
Stay with me. We barely woke up. We're going over toward the beach. Go check out the boat. And yeah, that seems to be the controversy lately. The boat. The boat. The boat. The boat. Can we continue? The boat. Can we continue? The boat. Are we going?
The beach.
No, we want to get juice. Yeah, we're going there right now. We don't get killed. Holes in the ground. So she's gonna get something to drink, but we're heading over to the beach and go check out the boat. Oh my gosh. Is she vlogging too? She vlogs at the same time I do. She knows that's taboo. Taboo. Alright guys, we're here at the beach. Trixie's with me.
We're wearing white. I'm so proud of myself. This is why I want you to wear white.
Mine's a Texan shirt, you know. Gotta represent. But our boat is right there. I don't know how much, you know, evidence I have to give to some of the trolls, but yeah, there's the boat. The boat's right there. All the other boats are out there. So ours is tied up to this boat. And yeah, we just came out here just to check on it and make sure it's all right. Maintenance on it, you know. Do we have to scrape the bottom? And it looks pretty good. Apparently the harbor master, which is on that side, is doing a good job. So yeah, keep on all the updates. Okay, this is our boat. Now, from what I'm understanding, we're talking to a couple of the harbor masters. This is what happens to your boat if you do not pay, if nobody's watching over your boat. There's more examples of it if you look up. That one was another recent one. And this is what I'm being told. We're talking to her, and she don't want to be seen, but she's one of the harbor masters that are out here. Yeah, there's our boat again. And this is one that just got totally destroyed. This is our bilge pump. I was trying to explain it earlier. I did on a radio talk show, but thought I'd show you guys. All right, Trixie just belched out a bunch of water. She's bailing it out. So, oh, she's still doing it. Getting some water out. After the storm, there was some damage done, and they had to do a temporary fix over here. Down below. I don't know if you guys can see that. That was attached to the boat at one time, but it got snapped off. And I know that's more ammo for the trolls to sit there and say, see, Red messed up with his money and this and that. Wrong finger, right? So, they did temporary setups. They didn't charge us for that, so the boatmaster fixed that. And then we're just belching out some water just because she wants to do it. It's not like, you know, the boat was actually flooding. The water was extremely low. It was only like an inch, but she wanted to try out the belch. Yeah, just like that, baby. Come on. Yes. Deeper. Oh, now you're tired? Yeah, there you go. So what do you think?
I'm very happy that we were able to see our baby.
Yeah, that's our boat. What we got to do is now have the logo painted. We found somebody that's going to paint the logo, the Sentai 7 logo on it.
And the trick here, guys, is that you really need to have connection, because if they know that it's a foreigner, they will jack up the price. So Arman will be the one to talk to his friend,
which is our boat captain.
Where's our boat captain? he will negotiate and just tell us, oh, I have a boat. Can you please paint this logo? And the price will just be normal.
Yeah, and we also got to paint the tags of the registration on the side of the boat. So we're gonna pay for the paint for that. Oh, we got a ride. That's our ride. Here. All right, we're on the way out. So yeah, we got to paint. What is it? The registration on the side of the boat.
Yes, because all the boats here, like, there's a blue paint on the side. That means that it's registered by the Coast Guard. So we need to buy a blue paint, and we have to have it registered at City Hall and the Coast Guard. And then Arman will be the one to have the ID because he will be the driver. But it's gonna be on your name, so it's fine, guys. It's confirmed that Ren can have it on his name because it's not a property. It is a property literally, but it's a land or something, so that's fine.
Yeah. So through popular belief, through some of the rumors, Trixie's not taking over my boat. It's actually gonna be underneath my name. I don't even have to mention that, but it seems to be a thing lately on certain shows. So yeah, it's gonna be underneath my name. So the only concern was that we have ice in the refrigerator.
Yeah. Or the Malibu.
Oh, because she's gonna drink Malibu tonight. A friend of ours showed up at the. A friend of ours showed up. Who's dating her aunt? So brought her some Malibu from the United States. So yeah, he's from Arizona. So let's see her drinking Malibu.
Wait, that's fine.
I'm not gonna drink it. No. That's my red horse. You don't know that. Yeah, you almost go get that. Gotta buy another bottle. So. All right, guys. In a nutshell, basically we got to get paint for the logo. Get that painted on the side of the boat, and then the registration. So we got to paint the registration on the side of the boat. The Coast Guard don't pull us over, and that's about it, huh? No, you can't hear the song. So we're gonna walk over here. It's not we're gonna get any copyright strikes, but other than that, we're gonna go ahead and close out this vlog.
Babe, show them my outfit.
Oh my gosh, really? You really want that outfit? Anyways, we're closing out this vlog. This is Ran.
This is Jake.
And together we are. Okay. Never mind.
Sentai 7. Stay full. I'm eating. Speaking of fish ball.
Remember guys, smash that like button if you want more Sentai 7.
Leave a comment down below in this video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'll check.
I forgot something. Stay thirsty, guys.